Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the mainframe application to be automated in the RPA tools from Automation Anywhere or BluePrism or UiPath. Okay, so basically these are the mainframe application used in the most of the insurance companies to be renew their policies for the endorsement policies. Okay, so maintain their insurance related stuff, insurance related data maintenance or data mining we can say. So to maintain all this stuff, their updation of each and every record of policy. So for that purpose, this IBM personal communication, that is one of the mainframe application getting used. Okay, so how to automate that, how to invoke that, I will explain you step by step in this video. So I already created one video. I will give the link of that video, so go through that video as well. You will get all the steps. I have performed a few steps in that video, and here I will explain you in detail all these steps step by step. So keep watching this video till the last moment. Okay, so once it is installed in your machine, that is IBM personal communication software, so you will have this icon over here in the C drive. You can go through this path. You will get this application. By this application you can also configure by importing the session created in IBM personal communication. So you need to import this session. I will explain you in the next steps how to import this session. Okay, so this is the important step. So instead of invoking IBM personal communication through this path, there is alternative. You can go in start menu of the your Windows server. So once you clicked on start menu, you will get start or configure session. So start or configure session, which session? It is by default IBM personal communications, that mainframes application session. And once it is installed on your machine, this will get available on your Windows server. Okay, this is the first step. You need to click either on this icon located on this path. So instead of this, you can go through your start menu of Windows server and click on start or configure session. So this is the first step. After that, once you clicked on any of these option, you will get the actual window like this. Okay, to manage the session. So there are three buttons: start, new session and new multiple session. You don't care about all these two buttons, you just concentrate on new session. Okay, this new session button, it will allow you to create one IBM personal communications profile like this. There are many profiles which are already exist. Those are already imported in this window. Okay, so once you clicked on this new session button, you will get one IBM personal communications window for the creation of new session. Okay, I will show you that new window how it will look. So you can see on the next screen, you will get the QA and production instance to be configured, and need to press on OK. Okay, so once you click on new session, it will get asked for your environment, which environment you need to select from this drop down and click on OK. It would be the QA environment, it would be the production environment, it would be the testing environment, how they have created. Accordingly you can select as per your requirement. Okay, so once you select that and once you clicked on OK, so this message box will get displayed. Okay, by default, if there is a by default user ID, it will ask for the user ID and the Once you entered your user ID and password over here, so this pop-up will get removed and you will see the screen. As I was trying to say you, the screen will be look like this. Okay, so these are the basically user ID, password, environments displaying over here. So you need to enter the user ID and password over here. So this application basically works on coordinates. Okay, that part I will make a separate video for that part basically. So once this is the this environment, once this screen pops up, then you need to import that, you need to save that particular session. Before importing, you need to save that particular session. This is the important step. So go in file menu over here. Okay, go in file menu over here and there is a save button. You save on particular path. Okay, once it is get saved, so it will get saved by ws. Okay, ws extension .ws extension. Okay, ws profile, we can say this is the different profiles. Already there are a few profiles we have saved. You can see all these profiles. So there will be one more profile named as test123 we have saved over here. Okay, so go back into the IBM communication window. So whatever the window initially we have opened from the start menu, start or configure, so this menu was like this. And so what it is saying, from file menu import the created profile, what the profile we have created over here in this path. Okay, so from this path you can import that particular session. Okay, by clicking on file and there is one import button, click on import. Okay, click on import. So from this particular path, okay, so it will reflected over here. Once it is reflecting over here, you need to click on start. Okay, this by selecting this profile. Okay, once it got selected and clicked on start, that particular IBM personal communication for particular that profile session will get start. Okay, session will get start, and wherever you want to invoke that IBM personal communication session in your automation tool, that is RPA tool, if you are invoking in automation anywhere or BluePrism or in UiPath. So in UiPath there is a terminal session activity named as a terminal session. You just drag and drop in your sequence that terminal session activity and give the path where you have saved that particular session. We have saved that particular session in this location. Okay, so from this location you make the connection string and here we have saved that. Okay, so that connection string you can pass to that terminal session activity and it will get invoked. So once it is invoked, there will be two windows for recordings perspective and the actual window. You will record that code from the coordinates, and once it is saved, that already I have explained you these things in the below video of where I have provided the link in the description box of this video. You can watch that video, you will come to know. Okay, so apart from that, how to configure the machine for that particular profile, I will explain you. Okay, so there will be just a minute. There will be a button named as System iNavigator in the start menu. Okay, in the system.navigator you can click over there. You will come to know which are the environments connected over here, whether production environment or QA environment. Okay, so by clicking on explore you can change the user. You can change the user ID from this particular window by clicking on system iNavigator option from the start menu. So that user ID, where I have explained, I will show you. I will just rolling up, and this user ID, by default user ID what is popping up over here once you clicked on the new session, new session button. So that user ID, if you want to change, you need to go in the system iNavigator menu from the start button. Okay, you can see system navigator menu from the start button. So this is all about the IBM personal communication invoking through RPA tools, that is from UiPath, BluePrism, and Automation Anywhere. So for all the steps which needs to be performed, that I have explained you step by step in the video which I have provided in the description box. Just click on that particular link, you will come to know all the steps to invoke this IBM personal communication mainframe tool. Thanks for watching video. Stay tuned with us, keep watching our videos. Thanks.